Hello guys, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. So guys, last time we have discussed in the previous videos all the Vbscript programs about prime numbers, list of prime numbers, etc. And today also guys, we are going to discuss a looping program which will be very useful for interview question point of view, that is Amstrong number. So let us open guys our agenda again. So in the program context, we have listed a few things which we did. So the first one was to print first 50 numbers, which is done. Check whether the given number is prime or not, which is also done. Find the factorial, which is also done. And Fibonacci series, which we have done in my previous Vbscript video. So this is also basically done. So let us write a fifth program. Write a program to find whether the given number is Amstrong or not. So here I'll write in progress. Let me save the agenda. Let us see what is Amstrong number. I'll explain you in detail. Let me close this. Let me open this new text document. Okay. If I take example of number 153, right? So what is Amstrong number is, if 1 cube 1 power 3, so let's write like this, if that is cube, it's not 1 of 3, I'm just writing it as 1 cube plus 5 cube plus 3 cube. If the sum of these cubes of individual number present in the entire individual letters of a number, you can say like that, when the sum equals to the exact number, then it is called an Amstrong number. So what is 1 cube? 1 cube will always be 1. Anything power of 1 is 1 itself. Plus, what is 5 cube? 5 square is 25. 25 5s 125. What is 3 cube? 3 square is 9. 9 into 3 is 27. What comes? 1 plus 125, 126, 126 plus 27, so 153. So we got the number, right? So number is 153 is an Amstrong number. The cube of each and every digit present in the entire number equals to the sum of equals to the same number. What number we have given? The sum of each individual digit equals to the number itself. Then the number is an Amstrong number. Now let us see the program. Let's see how program is. Let me take a number from the user dynamically. So I'll be writing that as variable to be number. I'll just write number as input box. Let me just write cint if it's required. I know I have not covered this one, guys. Cint is a parse value which converts the entire input string, entire number which is passing by the user dynamically to the integer value, which is cint. Basically, it is parsing. Let me write enter a number to check Amstrong. Okay, I wrote double T, it's not required. Fine. So let me take temporary variable. I'll write temp number so that we can play around with this temporary number to do our further operations, and let this number be constant. I'll assign this temp number as number to number. So then our temp number will have whatever the number the user gives, right? So let me take one more variable, temp, as 0, so that we can type that whatever the exact value the program is giving. I'll write a statement in such a way that we'll understand internally what is the process going on, how the Armstrong number is printed. Here guys, for a change, we will not be using a for loop here, we will be using do loop. Even with the do loops, we'll have many interview questions. This is one of the example of using do loops. Okay, let us take do while. So let us take do while now. Temp number, the condition is should be greater than 0. I'll explain you what exactly it does. We have to take one value called reminder, one variable, so that it will, sorry for that. So reminder equal to, what it actually does is it will take the reminder value in each and every iteration, so that the reminder value of whatever the value which comes from the entire number to the it will be iterated in the entire loop. First let me write the program, so I'll explain you in depth later. Let me write temp number, that should be modulus of 10. Now we will take temporary variable which we have given 0, and we will plus it. We will do the sum with reminder, because each and every digit in the entire each and every digit should have a cube. So reminder will be multiplied thrice, and temporary value is stored. And let me take temp number equal to temp number divided by 10. Or even I can have a message box so that we can exactly see for how many times the loop is iterating. So it will be a reminder value is, so I can write reminder is, and I can give a space here. I can take the reminder value as this. So we can see in the entire loop how the reminder value is executing. And I'll take what is temporary value. Temp value is space, and I'll assign temp, and I'll take one more variable, so temp number, which is for every iteration we're dividing it by 10. So we'll take temp number is, I know it is going out of the screen, so I'll minimize this. Okay, fine, it is not going out of the screen. Fine. Just take temp number. I know this temp number, when I copy this and when I paste, if I paste this here, it will go out of the screen. But fine, I just took temp number there for those of you. Temp. Fine. Now it's visible. So what exactly I'm doing is here I'm giving message box so that for each and every iteration it will type the value of a reminder, a temporary value, and a temp number. Now let's end the loop here. Let's end the do loop. If value, if the temp is equal to whatever the temp value we got here, if it is equal to the number which then message box the entered number is Amstrong, and I'll write the I'll I'll print the value of number. I'll take the same statement. I'll write a else condition stating this the entered number is not an Amstrong. So let me end the loop. So and if first I'll take for positive scenario so that I don't want to print it all the time. Just wanted to show it to you guys. So let me save this as I'll just write amstrong.vbs. I'll save this. Let me close it. Let me double click the Amstrong number.vbs. Okay, we got unexpected at the line 59. We got one error. Okay, if you want to see the error, I'll just double click it. So this is the error it's showing expected 59th line. So something we have missed here. Okay, we missed here the closing bracket. Okay, fine. Let me save this now. Let me double click it. Okay, let me expand the screen for you. So enter the number to check Armstrong. I'll be entering the positive scenario, which is 153. I'll be clicking on OK. So now you can see here in the first iteration remainder is 3, which is in 153 divided by modulus of 10 is 3. So 3 temp value, which is a 3 cube, is 27, and temp value is now 15. 153 divided by 10 is 15. So when I click on OK, the second pop-up appears saying now the remainder is 5. So sorry, remainder which is a mod value is 5, and temporary value which is a 3 cube plus 5 cube is 152, and now the temp number which is using the division is 1. Let me click this OK. Now you can see here the rem is 1, the remainder is 1, temporary value is 153, and the temp value is 0. So now it says finally the entered number is Armstrong of 153, which is exactly equal to the entered number. Now let's see for a negative scenario, right? So before going there, okay, let me minimize the screen. Let me zoom out. Yeah, fine. Let me open the Armstrong program, and I don't want this. I'll just remove the message box. I'll just comment it because if I enter the negative scenario, I don't want it to print all the time. So let me expand the screen for the input statement to see. Let us take any number, another number like let us take 2 or 5. So what is 2 over 2 cube plus 0 cube plus 5 cube? So 2 cube is 8, 5 cube is 125. It is 133, which is not equal to 2 or 5. Now the program should work properly, saying the entered number is not Armstrong, the number is 205. So let me take one more negative scenario. Let's take something like 899, which is 8 cube plus 9 cube plus 9 cube. I don't know what is the number anyway. So it is visible on the screen, 899. So it is not an Armstrong. So I'll take another session, another video, which will where I'll print the list of Armstrong numbers. Here in this particular program, we have to user has to just enter a value, and the response will be whether the program will say whether the actual number entered is Armstrong or not. So okay guys, this will be the end of the video. If you like the video, please click on the like button. If you are a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then guys, have a great day. Bye bye.